Secret tricks that are worth gold and few people know. 1. Prevent clothes from slipping on hangers by placing elastic bands in the corners. 2. Clean deep frets by adding rice and soap, beating for effective cleaning. 3. Prevent burns in hot pots by wrapping the handles with plastic tape. 4. Renew sports shoes by rubbing them with toothpaste on a brush. 5. Fasten flip-flops with elastic bands to prevent takeoffs. 6. Protect clothes when traveling by covering containers with plastic paper and covering them. 7. Cover white shoes with plastic bags in muddy weather to avoid dirt. 8. Reuse bottles to cut vegetables safely, creating a useful accessory. 9. Neutralize smells with coffee and paper towels tied with elastic bands. 10. Remove tool rust by immersing them in Coca-Cola for 15 minutes. 11. Eliminate chewing gum on clothes by rubbing with ice for a minute. 12. Use a stationary clip as a spare battery for device controls. Subscribe for more tips.